Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a large family house for rent, located in a gated community at the Ridge in Mandeville. There are 3 spacious bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms, spacious kitchen, walk-in closets, beautiful staircase, electronic garage, grill, etc. There is an extra study or room that can be used for a bedroom. The house is located centrally in Mandeville. This quiet community is waiting for the right family, wanting to move or return to Mandeville, close to supermarkets, banks, and other amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 1,200 or Jamaican $184,692 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.